What's up you guys? Welcome back to another Tech Talks. Today I'm here at the Croma store and we're going to get a very special hands-on with the new OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's get right to it. So here we have it, the brand new OnePlus 7 Pro. As expected, the classic white box from OnePlus. Let's get right into it. Inside the box here we have the clear case and the documents, a cute little welcome note from OnePlus, and of course the brand new OnePlus 7 Pro in all of its brand new glory. Let me switch on this phone while I show you what else is in the box. So in the box here we have the OnePlus 7 iconic red cable for Type-C charging and the new Warp 30 USB charger which charges up to 50% in only 20 minutes of usage. Here it is guys, the OnePlus 7 Pro in all its glory. As you can see, the first thing you notice right off the bat is that full screen display, no notch, no bezels from OnePlus. It has a super fast fingerprint scanner, about 30% faster than the OnePlus 6T. One thing you can expect from OnePlus is speed, and as usual with this phone they've given you the new Snapdragon 855 processor which really is blazing fast, and to couple with that they've given you up to 12 gigs of RAM. I mean that's going to take you through any kind of day you might have. Coming to the camera, OnePlus has opted for this triple camera setup you're starting to see from all major players like Huawei and Samsung. They have the 48 megapixel standard lens, this 16 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 3x optical zoom 8 megapixel lens. When it comes to the selfie camera, OnePlus has gone for a retractable pop-up selfie which is a 16 megapixel lens which OnePlus themselves have tested out vigorously for up to 300,000 uses. Coming back to the camera itself, let's check out the picture quality here with the standard, the ultra wide lens which adds a really cool perspective to your photography, and this 3x zoom lens which still maintains the clarity of your image surprisingly well. All in all, OnePlus has done a major step up coming down to their camera game. And there you have it guys, another amazing flagship from OnePlus, packed full of all the latest features that you could want. And if there's one thing I can tell you, this phone, it's smooth as butter. You could get your hands on this baby starting from $48,999. Be sure to check it out at your nearest Croma store just like I did today. Well, that's it for us today. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure I'll see you soon as the OnePlus 7 launches in early June.